Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a vinyl decal on your car. This one's actually pretty substantial size, and first off I want to shout out Fitment Industries, say thank you very much for hooking me up with this sticker, as well as some other things that you guys will see shortly. Now you guys know I don't really like stickers on my car. I like to keep it kind of clean, kind of simple, but this one's actually like the perfect size. I'm thinking I'm going to throw it on the back windshield, and today I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to need just a couple things to do this. You're just going to need a clean microfiber, some glass cleaner, and some tape. Now there's different ways you can do this. Sometimes you want to use the tape to line it up on the paint. I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to use the tape just to kind of hold it in place, get a good feel for it, make sure I like it there, and then I'm going to use it just to make sure that it's perfectly flat. So let's jump into it. So I'm just going to go ahead now and clean that whole top part of the windshield that's going to need to be cleaned. I mean, if you want to be more effective, you can probably just go get your car washed, but it rains too much in this city to keep my car clean for more than 5 minutes. I think the way that makes most sense for me to align it is, I don't know if you guys can see this. Obviously, every time you align a sticker, it's going to be a little different. You're going to want to line it up with different things. If you're going to put a sticker down here, you're going to want to find a straight edge to line that up with. I'm installing mine up here, and I'm just going to use this black chunk across the top. It's perfectly straight. So I'm going to line the top of the sticker up like this, right along the top, and then I'm just going to put 2 pieces of tape on either end to keep it there, and then I'm going to measure the gap on both sides to make sure it's perfectly centered. Okay, so now that I've got it chalked up there, it looks pretty good. It's dead center. When I stand back and look at it, it looks fantastic. And now what I'm gonna do is just run a piece of tape right here and then right here so that I can corner it out. That way when I'm laying it, I can put this piece directly in that corner of tape and it'll fit perfectly in there, and I don't accidentally put it on a weird angle. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm just gonna pop this one off now. And then I'm just gonna run this one across the top to not just to corner it, but it's a pretty long sticker, so I don't want to screw up the equalness of it. So we're just going to throw this on the top here. Now we should be ready to lay it. Now vinyls are generally pretty easy to lay. When they get really, really big, sometimes you might want to use a water method, but I'm just going to go dry. I don't really think you need a water method. And basically what I'm going to do, you're going to see it, but sometimes when I'm doing things, I don't explain it at the same time. So I'm going to put it down on one side and just kind of progressively lay it sideways. That way you don't get any wrinkles, any air bubbles. People try and put it down all at once and then even it out from the center. And what happens is when you put it all down, over here might have a little ripple. So as you go, it's got an air bubble in it, it kinks, the letter has a little bubble or like a little fold where it kinked. Doesn't look good. We're just gonna start by trying to get this corner in line. Make sure that I line it up all the way across to the top. Get that corner in line. Right about there, looks like it's gonna fit very nicely. Basically what I'm gonna do is just start pressing everything towards the outside as it lays. So there's different ways to go about this. I'm sure people show you different ways. Basically what I'm doing is I lay it like this, and then as it goes down, I just press where is going down, just like that. That way you make sure that everything has full coverage and nothing gets any air bubbles in it. Because if you kind of, like I said, if you throw it all down, then there might be a bubble on that side, and by the time you get there, it doesn't look very good. So I just kind of go across like this, pushing it all down as it goes, and then you guys are about to get a wicked fast forward of me getting to the other side. There you go. And now something that I like to do once it's at this stage, take your microfiber and just press everywhere that there's a letter or an image or whatever it is that you're sticking. Just go over it once with the microfiber, just to kind of save your hands from rubbing on it. You can use your hands, but microfiber is always easier. Come back over here and remove our guidelines. And last but not least, this corner is already coming up a little bit, so we're just gonna peel away. When I'm peeling, I like to peel, some don't peel up, peel away. So like if you can see, this is staying perfectly flat, and just peel it away because then none of this will pull up. So sometimes if it's not stuck properly and you pull it up, you'll yank it right up. But I just like to pull it flat and across like this. Works perfect every time. Boom, that's it. Finished product, baby. Something about it, I don't like going overkill with stickers. I think this actually looks clean, turned out mint. It's like perfect size without being obnoxious. So there you go, there you have it. That is how you lay a vinyl decal on your car. If you follow the tips and tricks I showed you, you will have an amazing turnout just like mine. If you guys don't know what Fitment Industries is, they lead the wheel and fitment revolution. They're doing a whole bunch of crazy stuff. They make insane videos on explaining wheel fitment and all that kind of stuff. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Go give it a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out and stay committed.